Hey, this is Brett. Hope everybody's having a great day out there today, and I am super excited to go over this ultra clean, like new 2023 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 1Le with the Extreme Track Pack on it. This is stock number 15349Z. I am here at Summit Automotive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, your new and used sports car headquarters. This 2023 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 1Le has the 6.2 liter supercharged V8 LT4 engine. Puts out 650 horsepower. It's paired up with a 10-speed automatic transmission. All of our vehicles go through a 130-point state of Wisconsin inspection process. They get a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids get checked and topped off before being made available to our customers. This is a clean title history, clean CARFAX, previously titled in Michigan. Speaking of Michigan, if you're watching the video on YouTube, let me know in the comments below where you're watching the video from. I always like to see where our viewers and subscribers are. And I'm gonna go all the way around in this video. I'm gonna go inside, start it up, take a look under the hood, listen to that exhaust, show you all the options, and give you the most accurate representation I can of the vehicle. Summit white clear coat is the color, paint code is GAZ. I shoot all my videos in 4K. If you like the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell notifications. Get updates on the videos I do each and every day and stay current on our ever-changing and vast sports car inventory so you do not miss out on gems like this one. The 1LE package comes with the 19-inch painted low-gloss alloy wheels, and it has the 1LE Brembo brakes on there. And we have Hankook Ventus V12 tires in the front. These are 305/30 ZR19s. And you can see that they are very new tires, still have the little wear knobs on them. So I would say 95, 98% of the tread left on those tires. Wheel is in excellent shape. Front fender is in nice condition as well. I didn't see any major dents or dings on there. This one does have the HID headlamps and the LED running lights. You can see the Extreme Track Package gives you the canards here on the side. Lower splitter is in very nice condition. Didn't see any major scuffs or scrapes on there. Front grille area looks really good. The hood is in excellent shape. You do get a heat extractor on there with the carbon fiber insert on there. The hood is wrapped. That's part of the 1LE package as well. Passenger side front fender is in excellent condition. No dents or dings on there. And the passenger side front wheel, very nice and clean, no scuffs or scrapes on there. As you go down this side of this 2023 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 1Le Extreme Track Package, take note of how clean the body is, how reflective and mirror-like that paint is. I take these HD videos, so if you are far away or even if you're close by and just cannot make the trip down, but you're still interested in purchasing the vehicle, you can see the car, hear the car, and have confidence in the vehicle that you're looking at before you even get here. So when you do get here, there's absolutely no surprises and you can make a smart and informed buying decision from wherever you're at, or just make the decision to come take a look at the car. And if this video helps you do either of those things, let your salesman know that you saw the video was helpful and that Brett sent you. Back wheels are in excellent shape as well. These are still 19-inch wheels back here, but you get 325/30 ZR19 tires back here, and those tires are just as new as the front tires. You do get the smaller Brembo brakes back here. It does have a custom fuel door cover. We do have the original fuel door cover for this, and it does have the capless fuel fill. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, you get the quad-tipped dual rear exhaust, the backup parking sensors, rear bumpers in excellent shape. I didn't see any dents, dings, scuffs, or scrapes on there. LED tail lamps. You also have the Extreme Track Package carbon fiber wing on there. That looks really good. There's a button to open the trunk. So there is your original air cleaner, and you also have the original fuel door cover right there. It has a Rotofab cold air intake on it, and under here is a tire inflator kit. I think those are extra aerodynamic things for the front. In that box there, not sure, but comes with everything and very nice and clean back here. Trunk lid shuts nice and solidly and is in excellent shape. I didn't see any dents or dings on that. Coming around to the driver's side, rear quarter looks really good. And for full disclosure, this back wheel is in excellent condition as well. no scuffs or scrapes on there. And down the rest of this side of the car, door looks really good. Lower rockers look really good. It does have a nice 3M edge on the door there. You also get heated mirrors with blind spot monitoring. Inside, the ZL1 package gives you the black suede and leather Recaro bucket seats. No rips, no tears on these seats. You get the ZL1 badge on the backrest, the Recaro on there as well. Side curtain airbags, the red stitching, the red seat belts. Both of these front seats are heated and cooled and power, factory floor mats, and head-up display, tilt telescopic steering wheel. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. You get the ambient lighting in the doors. You can change the colors on those. And you get the memory driver's seat. Bose premium sound system. Show you the back here. Back seat's probably never been sat in. Latch child safety system. And you do get the wireless cell phone charge pad right there. Let's hop inside, check out the miles, the radio, and everything this one has to offer on the interior. So you get the Camaro animation at the beginning there. And you can see that this one has 2,701 miles on it. Instrument cluster is very nice and clean. You get the flat bottom, suede wrapped, multi-function steering wheel. On the right, you have Bluetooth and information center controls. And on the left, you have cruise controls, forward collision warning, and heated steering wheel controls, as well as favorite buttons and paddle shifters on there. This one comes with the Chevy infotainment system. You get AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio capabilities, as well as Bluetooth capabilities. You get a push button start right there. You get your different apps. This one does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is nice because this one doesn't have the factory navigation system, but project your cell phone up there with Waze or Google Maps, and it's like you have nav right on the screen. Down here are your climate controls, as well as your heated and cooled seat buttons, and your shifter for that 10-speed automatic transmission, hazard lights, stability control, your different driving modes, which I'll show you in a second, your electronic parking brake. Passenger side floor mat and seat are in excellent condition as well. I don't think this car has ever been smoked in. And the headliner is in fantastic shape as well. You do get OnStar and SOS buttons, and you get the rearview mirror camera display, which I'm going to show you in just a little bit. We're going to start this thing up, and I'm going to remote start it so you can hear it start up from the back. These Camaros always sound really good when you start them up. So let's start it up and see how it sounds. Gotta lock it, then press and hold this. Always sounds really good on the startup. Love those LED tail lamps as well. Now before we take a look under the hood, we gotta officially start the car. And then I can show you the rest of the options in here. Just gotta put your foot on the brake and press start. And you can see it starts right up, no check engine lights or anything like that. It does have the digital speedometer. And once again, the compass display and the instrument cluster is very nice and clean. You get your different driving modes, which includes Tour, Sport, Track, Snow, and Ice. And then you get the rearview mirror video camera, so that is a video display of what's going on behind you. Now you can turn that off and make that just a normal rearview mirror, but with that big wing on there, it's probably better to have that up. A lot of race cars have these in them now, and passenger cars for that matter. And then you do get the head-up display in the windshield there. You get a digital speedometer and a tach on there, as well as G-forces. So that's pretty cool too. Let's go take a look under the hood and check out those HID lights in the front. I would personally like to thank you for checking out the video today. Hopefully from this HD video, you've been able to verify the quality, condition options, and of course cleanliness of this car all the way around, inside and out. See, all those lights are very bright and working nicely. Under the hood, we have the 6.2 liter supercharged LT4 V8 engine. Engine bay is very clean, runs very smooth. There you get that RotoFab cold air intake. Shocks are doing a nice job holding that hood up, and once again, all of our vehicles get 130 points state of Wisconsin inspection process before being made available to our customers. They get a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids get checked and topped off. There is the emissions sticker. And this car is 100% ready to go. They don't make the Camaro anymore, so getting them with super low miles like this one is getting harder and harder to do. And I would highly recommend this car from a quality and condition standpoint. I'd ship this one anywhere, California, Texas, New York, Florida. Whoever's gonna get this one's going to absolutely love it. And to see more pictures of this car, one of our other 550 new and used cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans, Wranglers, sports cars, Camaros, Challengers, Chargers, Corvettes, Mustangs, ZL1s, GT500s, you name it, we got it. Go to the website right there, summitauto.com, full pictures and descriptions of every single vehicle, all at summitauto.com. And if you'd like to check out more HD videos, you can go to youtube.com/summitauto, click the bell notifications, get updates on the videos I do each and every day so that you do not miss out on gems like this one. In fact, in a second, you will see a link to subscribe to my YouTube channel in the upper left, a link to all the Camaro videos I've ever done in the upper right, link to this vehicle on our website in the lower left, and a link to one of our latest YouTube videos in the lower right. Click those, check us out. We are super excited to be offering this ultra clean, like new 2023 Chevrolet Camaro Zl1 1Le Extreme Track Pack in Summit White Clear Coat. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share on the YouTube channel. I personally would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.